Hey, let me introduce you to Victor from Victor's Remodeling Construction. You hear me talk about him all the time. And Victor, you and I have known each other for what, 25 years now?
Going on 25 years, yes,
I mean,
sir.
it's been a long time. And
Yes, it has.
man, you have always done excellent work. And that's why it's always been a pleasure to recommend Victor's Remodeling Construction, especially when it comes to James Hardie siding. You are just the master of putting this stuff on.
Thank you.
So when it comes to the James Hardie products, obviously, like I said, you've been doing it a long time. What are the little tricks that you've learned over the years that maybe could help somebody else out?
Well, as you know, I started installing over 25 years ago with my father. So there's little things that we've picked up along the way. Of course, with the Color Plus line, it's a little bit slower of an install from the carpentry standpoint, but there's a lot of things that we pay attention to, our nail placement, our nail patterns, things like that. You really want to put it up and not have to come back and do any touch-ups, and that's the beauty with this product.
Well, and that's why I love the Color Plus. It may take a couple of minutes extra to put it up, but I don't have to spend another day and a half, 2 days painting after it's up.
Correct.
And I like that.
Correct.
Well, if you need some James Hardie siding, you need to call Victor's Remodeling Construction and let them come out and at least take a look at the project for you, because I'm telling you, there's no better installer. For more videos and tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to thipro.com.